Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
To begin navigation in a Mazda CX-3, press the NAV button on the console and look at the 7-inch Mazda Connect display. The map centers on your GPS position. Use the rotary commander to move the cursor, press Enter to select, and twist the knob to zoom from 0. 1 mile up to about 10 miles for context. If you prefer voice input, press the steering wheel talk button and say your destination. Otherwise, use the on-screen keyboard to type the full address. To enter a destination, either press the talk button and speak a full address such as 123 Main Street, or use the on-screen keyboard to type house number, street, city, and state. You can also choose a category like gas, parking, or restaurant if you prefer a point of interest search. After selecting a match, the system displays route options. Review the alternatives, then select fastest or shortest, and press Start to begin turn-by-turn guidance and estimated time and distance. While en route, Mazda Connect gives turn-by-turn guidance. A banner shows the next maneuver and the distance remaining, for example 0. 2 miles until your exit. If you miss a turn, the system recalculates and offers a new route automatically. To stop navigation, press back on the console to cancel. Adjust voice prompt volume or route preferences in settings so lane guidance and spoken distances suit you. Audio prompts come through car speakers and will pause music when a prompt is announced for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.